Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm about to show you this gorgeous style, so if you want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, my hair is already washed and I'm just going to use my Jamaican black castor oil to moisturize. So I'll section the back from ear to ear and I'll keep that into a ponytail because I'm going to use that later, guys, because this style is so cute. You know, I am inspired by Bad Girl Riri. So today, guys, call me Bad Girl Titi. Yes, boo. So I'm just going to section my hair like that and keep it into a ponytail. And I'll start sectioning the front. You know, I'm going to start from my temple, you know, going down like that. And then they're just going to be slanting sections, guys. Okay, so just bear with me. Just watch and learn, okay? And, you know, it is so easy to section this hair, guys. I thought it was going to be hard, but nah, girl. I think after I've been sectioning my hair for a while, like doing this crazy styles, I'm a pro now, you know, in sectioning. Anyway, yeah, girl, so just try to make them as perfect as possible. You know, I know it's hard if you're trying, this is your first time like trying to make these styles. It's like, but just try, girl. You know, practice makes perfect, right? So keep trying, girl. You can do this. If I can do it, you can do it. All right, guys, so now that I'm done sectioning the hair, I'm going to start styling. And I'm going to be using my booster gel because I love this gel because it doesn't make your hair white. You know, sometimes when you use some gel and it just makes your hair so white. And on the side, I have 3 sections. And then on the second one, I'll have 4. And then on the third, I'm having 5. All right, guys, so I'm using the rubber bands to secure it. And just make sure you're adding enough gel as you're connecting the hair to the other section. When you get to the last one, so make sure you just add the gel on the bottom and not on the whole hair, okay? Because you want to make sure it blends in well with the back of the hair when you're trying to sleek that down, guys, okay? So on to the second one, I'm going to section that into 4. Guys, I'm trying to do it like the way Rihanna did it, okay? So, you know, we're trying to be Miss Bad Girl TT, okay? Anyway, just make sure you're adding enough of the booster gel, guys, because, you know, we're trying to sleek this down. All the way down, honey. Yes, transformation to 100. Okay. I left some of the baby hairs out, you know, my sides out so I can, you know, style that later, like, you know, form some baby hairs or whatever. We're going to fix that at the end. Anyway, guys, I'm having so much fun with this style, guys. Oh my gosh, when I saw it the first time she posted it, I was like, I posted it on my IG. I said, girl, y'all know I'm gonna have to be recreating this, right? I have to recreate this. I love Rihanna. Yes, who doesn't love Rihanna? I love Rihanna, and especially when she does these natural hairstyles, I'm just like, sis, thank you. On the third one, guys, I'm sectioning the hair into 5. So this is the style, guys. You go 3, 4, 5 on the third one, 5 on the fourth, and then I'll start with the other side. So just bear with me, but you guys get the, you know, get the styling, right? Just make sure you're adding enough gel. When you first see this, when she's rocking it, you think it's like so hard to, you know, to achieve, but girl, it is so easy. It's just like, you know, any of the rubber band, you know, tutorials that I have on my channel. Like, it's only hard if you're trying to, you know, like sleek your 4C hair down. That's the hard part. But the styling, the parting of the hair is easy, and that's about it. Guys, I really appreciate you for all the support you guys have been showing me Oh my gosh, you guys have no clue. Like, I was like, when I started back on my YouTube channel, I was like, oh my gosh, I don't know how it's gonna go, but you guys have been so motivating. I'm like, yo, this is really why I love YouTube. Like, you guys supporting and watching my videos, subscribing. Oh my gosh, it's like all the comments, and I'm like, wow. I love when I make a difference. Like, I know I'm helping somebody out, you know, on a bad hair day, somebody's texting me, commenting on my videos on Instagram, like, girl, you saved me yesterday. I'm like, this is why I make videos, guys. Oh my gosh. So I am very, very appreciative, guys. You guys have no clue, and I'll continue giving you some content, you know. Just let me know what you guys want to see. But other than that, I am very, very happy, guys. So I'm doing 3 again on the other side, and then so the next one I'm just going to section it into 4, or the 2 small ones right there. The other one is going to be sectioned into 3. The last one is sectioned into 2. Okay, so I had to zoom her out and be like, sis, how many do you have, sis? She's gonna be looking at me. I hope she sees this style, guys. You guys need to tag her. I'm going to post this. Come join me on my Instagram. My Instagram is Tupo1. Just come over and tag bad girl Riri so she can see that I did her hair to a T. Okay? Guys, I have discovered that these protective styles have been helping me so much during this pandemic, guys. Just check out my styles. I have a couple styles that you guys can rock on a daily. You know, you can switch up, switch it up, girl. Every once in a while, switch it up, look different. I love protective styles, guys, because that's what grows your hair, really. I love my Senegalese twist, but with this pandemic, because I have to wear a surgical cap at work all the time, so that's why I've been doing like this, these little protective styles here and there. But I cannot wait to show you guys my Senegalese twist as well. Oh my gosh, I am super excited. You guys are gonna be like, what, is that easy? Really? Yeah, so I am super excited to show you guys. But for right now, you guys can check out my previous styles that I've been rocking. I have the links in the description below, and they're so nice, so easy. You can achieve them. I make everything so easy because it is easy. It's not just because I make it look easy. It is easy. You just have to try. Like, I feel like every time you try something, you get better at it. So if it is like, actually, you know what? My thing is, if you want to do something in life, go for it. Just do it. Rihanna has like so many hairstyles that I've been eyeing and wanting to try. So after trying this one, I am going to be trying some more of her styles. I'll be rocking some of that, but today's style is the one that she did from the Fenty Skin Beauty launch, and I loved it. I loved it. She just looked so elegant, so cute, natural hairstyle. Woo, girl, you can never go wrong. So cute. Okay. Now that I'm done styling the front, I'm slicking my hair down in the back right there, and I'm just gonna use my scrunchie to hold it, guys, because I'm putting mine on top right there, because she had her hair on the bottom, so my hair is so coarse, and whatever we can be doing there. All right, guys, so now that I'm done slicking my hair down, I'm just gonna use my scrunchie to secure it. I'm just taking my scarf, just to lay my hair down more and just tie it right there, just like that. You can take anything. I usually use my strips, but I'm out of strips today, so we're gonna have to make do what we got. Okay, I'm gonna be using some extensions to achieve this look. So I just put a bobby pin to secure it, and then I'll just secure it on my head. you know, and start going round with it just like that, guys. So I'm trying to have a ponytail. You know, I got this hair from D Hair Boutique. I'm using 2 bundles of this 20 inches. This is, I think this is the wavy, some kind of wavy hair. I'm gonna put the information down below. I'm using this Got to Be Blasting Frizz Spray so my hair is nice and sleek. Then I'm just gonna add some the bobby pins just to secure it. And I'm not gonna do much to the hair because her hair looks a little, you know, it doesn't look like she straightened it or whatever. So I'm just gonna do that and leave it alone. And that's it, girl. Makeup done? Okay, sis. What? Oh, just call me Bad Girl TT. That's it. Okay, girl, I am so happy how this style came out. This style came all the way through. Okay. Rihanna, you should have just invited me to this Fenty Skin. When I saw her with this style, guys, I was like, sis, I am trying this style regardless. Okay, so let me know if you guys are going to be trying this style, but this is so cute. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Don't forget to get me to 50K. I can see the numbers. I'm happy, but let's go. Bye.